Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making a white garlic sauce. This sauce goes fantastic on chicken. You can also use it as a dip for veggies instead of ranch. It's also great on a pizza. So now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. We're going to start by melting our butter in a nice medium-sized saucepan. Once the butter is melted, we're going to go in with our garlic and we're going to saute this up for about 30 seconds. Next is our oregano. We're going to let this go for about 10 seconds. Now in with our flour. We're going to get this thoroughly incorporated. We're making a roux that's going to help thicken the sauce. We're going to want to cook this for about a minute or two to get that raw flour taste out of it. We're going to slowly add in our cream, a little bit at a time, and get this thoroughly combined, and it's going to start thickening up nicely. Once it thickens up, we're going to keep adding a little bit more until our milk is all gone. And that's the consistency we're looking for right there. Now we're going to go with our Parmesan cheese, get this thoroughly incorporated as well, and our sauce is done. We're going to head back to the cutting board and get a taste. Now if the sauce starts to seize up and get too thick, you can always add in a little bit more milk. Now let's get a taste. That's good. Definitely needs some salt and pepper. Now you season it to your taste. Alright, let's get a bite of this. I'm going to use a nice fresh baguette, real neutral flavor, just so we can really taste the sauce. Oh, that's really good. This is going to work great on chicken. It's going to make a great pizza sauce, or a topping for pasta even. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Drop a link down, drop a comment below and let me know what you're using this on, because I really want to try that. If you're interested in the outdoors, check out my outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.